Hello students, welcome to your computer class. In this video class, we'll study chapter number 6, Know More About MS PowerPoint 2007. Some portion of this chapter we have already studied in the previous part. Now we'll be proceeding towards the second part. Topics to be studied in this part are PowerPoint views, slide layouts, inserting pictures, word art and shapes. The very first topic is PowerPoint views. Students, PowerPoint views helps us in various ways while creating our presentation. The three basic views in PowerPoint are, the first one is normal view. Normal view is basically divided into two subcategories, outline view and slides view. Now before proceeding further, first of all we'll learn about normal view. This view, we are working most of our time on PowerPoint. Whenever we are creating any PowerPoint presentation, most of the time we are working with this view. In this, we can add text, pictures and even create our own notes. Now the subcategories, outline view, it helps us to work with the text. Outline view helps us to work with the text. And slide view, it helps us in displaying one slide at a time. I am repeating, in slide view, it helps us in displaying one slide at a time. Basically, we can observe each slide in detail and work with pictures and diagrams on it, right? Now the second one is slide sorter view. The second type of PowerPoint view is slide sorter view. In this type of view, text and pictures cannot be added. We cannot add text and pictures, but slides can be deleted and transition and animation effects can be added. I am repeating, we cannot add text or pictures in slide sorter view, but we can delete the slides, we can add transition and animations on the slides, and we can even drag or move the slide from one position to another position with the help of slide sorter view. Another one, that is the third type of view, is slideshow view. This slideshow view is for giving an on-screen presentation. I am repeating it again. Slideshow view is used for giving an on-screen presentation. Now, these were the three types of views, three types of PowerPoint views. Now we'll study them with the help of an example. The help of an example means with the help of PowerPoint, how and where we can see these PowerPoint views. So my dear students, at the top of my screen you can see so many options like file, home, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, review and view. We'll click over view. Here you can see normal view. This is the normal view right now I am working upon. Then outline view. This is an outline view. You can easily have a glance over all the topics used in each and every slide. Then another one is slide sorter view. This type of slide sorter view, you can have a look. I can drag the slides from one position to another position, then I can even add transitions and animations over it. So now the last one, that is slideshow. Slideshow view, you can see here, you'll click over slideshow. From beginning and from current slide basically means, suppose you want the slideshow from the beginning, from the point where the presentation started, or from the current slide, that means currently you are on which slide, you need the presentation from that slide. I hope you must have understood these three ways, or these three views, PowerPoint views. Now we'll click on normal view and we'll move ahead. Now another topic is how to use the mouse. A very big question, how to use the mouse in PowerPoint presentation. Only two things we are supposed to do. The very first thing is previous slide and the second thing is next slide, right? Previous and next slide. So here you can see, when you will move this cursor down, it is moving downwards, and you will move this cursor upwards, it is moving upwards. So in this manner you can click over the previous slides. Right now we are moving this with the help of slides, but here you can click over the next slide, previous slide, then again next slide. In this manner you can use the mouse. Only two things are there, previous slide and next slide. You click over that particular slide, it will automatically go to the previous or to the next slide, whichever you want. Now the next topic is slide layouts. Slide layouts The way of arranging things or objects on a slide is called layout. I repeat, the way of arranging things or objects on a slide is called layout. Boxes with dotted borders on a new slide are called placeholders. Boxes with dotted borders on a new slide are called placeholders. They hold titles, body text, bulleted list, pictures, tables, charts, etc. This second statement, that boxes with dotted borders on a new slide are called placeholders, this I will be explaining you by showing you the practical. See, here you can see, when you will click, you just do the right click over this slide, you will see the option of layout, right? Then you can see here dotted boxes. These dotted boxes are known as placeholders. Now the question arises, how to change the slide layout? How to change the slide layout? This I have told you right now only by giving an example of placeholder. You just right click over that particular slide and then click on layout. So many layouts are there. From here you can change the layout, slide layout. Otherwise, you click over the home option you click, then here layout option is there. Any of the layouts you can select, that particular layout will be added to your slide. Then another topic is inserting pictures. Pictures make our presentation unique and enhances its appearances. We can insert pictures using any of these options. The first option is clip art. Second option, picture from file. So I am repeating it again. Pictures make our presentation unique and enhances its appearances. We can insert pictures using any of those options, clip art or picture from file. This you have already studied in the MS Word also. Same thing we were doing there also. We were inserting pictures through clip art and pictures from file. Now the next one, The next one is word art and shapes. Word art allows you to create stylized text with effects such as textures, shadows, and outlines. This is basically the meaning of word art. And how does word art and what is the function of word art? A variety of shapes can be inserted and modified, like rectangles, circles, lines, etc. These two topics you are very much familiar with them. Now I'll give you an example of how to insert pictures and how to add word art and shapes. So the pictures can be inserted with the help of clip art, and the second option is of pictures from file. So first of all we'll go over the home option. Then here we can just on the right hand side insert option is there. We can see here online pictures. Pictures means pictures from file. Clip art is not here because this is an updated version of PowerPoint. So in PowerPoint 2007 you will get the option of clip art. So here I can insert pictures, online pictures also, and pictures which are present in my computers. So I'll try to insert any online picture. For example, I have searched here trees. So here you can see I have received so many pictures of trees. Now I'll click over insert, and that particular picture can be inserted over my PowerPoint slide. It is taking a few seconds. So in this manner we can easily add any picture of our own choice. Let's try to insert any other picture. We'll go on insert option, then online pictures, and I'll write flowers. Now so many pictures of flowers will be displayed in front of you. Click over this picture and click on insert. Okay, this picture we cannot insert. We'll try to insert any other picture. So this picture is inserted. Now we can increase the size of the picture, we can decrease the size of the picture, increase, decrease, both. We can expand, compress, we can do anything, whatever we want to do. In this manner you can add pictures online as well as offline. We can add them from our computer, all those pictures which are present in our laptops, that we can add. So this was about pictures. Now another thing, word art and shapes. We'll move towards. Okay, then let's take the example of this. First of all, we'll click over insert option. Here shapes option is given. Any of the shapes you want to add, just click over that particular shape and then drag your mouse. This shape is inserted. Similar manner you can even add the word art. Just word art, it basically helps us in making the letters attractive and in a styled manner. So just like you were doing it in Microsoft Word 2007, the same manner you can do here also. So now I hope you must have understood these topics very well. So thank you for your keen patience. And everyone, please try to do the practicals in your computers. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.